So guys, I'll be starting with my eyebrows and I'll be using a red eyeshadow to apply on my eyebrows. Just pack the eyeshadow on your eyebrows. Just continue packing until it gives you the reddish or the red color that you want. After I'm done, I'll be continuing applying on the other side. Whoa, look at that. Look at that. Whoa. I love that. So I'll be stopping at that point. Now I'll be taking my Pro Girl concealer at the shade number 2. It's two shades brighter than my natural skin. So I'll be cleaning up or shaping my eyebrows. And here I'm very careful so that I don't mess with my eyebrows. Just look at that, look at that. Oh, so beautiful. I love that. I love that. I'll be cleaning the other side. I just love that. How? So it's like a Valentine eyeshadow or Valentine makeup look. I hope you like it. After I'm done, I'll be taking a very bright concealer that I'll be using it as my eyeshadow base. Then I'll be applying on my eyelids. The reason why I'm using that concealer, the bright one, so that it can make my eyeshadow pop. Now I'll be taking my beauty blender and it's wet. Blend that in and make sure it gives you a very smooth look. After I'm done with blending, I'll be taking the red eyeshadow that I used on my eyebrows. I'll be taking it and start packing on my eyelid. Just pack, don't blend fast, just pack. Pack. I'll be packing on the other side. The reason why you are seeing this eyeshadow, it's like pinkish, it's because I used the white, it's like whitish concealer, so it just made my eyeshadow to pop. Continue packing. After I'm done, I'll be taking a very fluffy brush to blend that in. Make sure you blend it nicely so that there are no harsh lines seen. I'll be packing a little bit so that the colors can match each other. After I'm done, I'll be starting with my moisturizer from Skin Touch. I'll be applying my moisturizer. I blend that in using my fingers. Don't forget your neck, ladies. After I'm done applying, I'll be taking my Fit Me primer and apply it. I'll be also rubbing using my hands. Press that in on your skin. So today I'll be using another technique. I'll be starting with my concealer first. The concealer that I used on my eyebrows. Now I'll be applying on my under eyes, around my mouth, on my nose ring, and on my forehead. And after I'm done applying it, just blend the concealer immediately because it dries out very fast. So blend. Blend until it gives you a very smooth look, and no harsh lines, please ladies, no harsh line. After I'm done with that, I'll be taking my concealer and apply it the areas that I didn't apply my concealer, or the other part. Just blend that in. The reason I use this technique is because you don't put a lot of product on your skin, or you'll hear, or after applying this technique, is that you'll not find this makeup heavy on your skin. That's the reason that I use this technique. And so continue blending, blend that out, and make sure that there are no harsh lines seen. Blend. Don't forget your neck, ladies. After I'm done with that, I'll be taking the like whitish concealer just to brighten my under eyes. Blend, also blend it out. After I'm done, now I'll be going in with my opal black powder. And for this technique here, or for me, I don't like baking. I'll just put a little bit of powder in my blender, blot the excess out, then press in on the areas that you applied your concealer. This avoids the cakiness in your makeup. If you don't know, it will avoid the cakiness or sweating of makeup. Yeah. Continue applying. I just love that. And imagine, guys, I haven't edited this video, just a voiceover and the speed. About saturation, I didn't do that. This is the natural video, or just the way I took the video, just like that. No editing, just the speed and the voiceover. After I'm done with the powder, I'll be taking a dark powder to contour my face. Just contour. I'll be contouring my nose. Here now I'll be using the same eyeshadow as a blush. Of course it's a blush, I used it as a shadow, whatever. Continue applying it. So beautiful. Blend it out. Make sure to remove the excess powder on your face. Look at that. Isn't it so beautiful? Now I'll be setting my whole face, or set my makeup. Ooh, it smells so good. Now I'll be taking my mascara, do my natural lashes first. I did my lashes off camera, yeah, so don't mind. Here we are, highlighting my face. Look at that. Look at that, nigga. So beautiful. Now I'll be taking a black eye pencil, and here I'll be using it as my lip liner. Just line my lips or draw your lips according to the shape that you want or love. I like doing my lips according to the shape of my lips. I'll be taking a red lipstick, apply that shit out. Look at that. Look at that. I'll be taking the red eyeshadow, then pack that in my lips. Look at that. Look at that ombre. I love it. Look. I applied a little bit of the highlighter on my skin so that I can glow. Whoa, continue highlighting my face. Now let me finish the look off camera. Here goes the look, my hair, the blah blah blah. I hope you like it. Love you guys. Goodbye. Mwah.